These are the most badass police cars in the world. They're fast, loaded with crime-fighting technology, and can hunt down criminals with ease. With all the high-speed car chases, it's no surprise that the US cop cars are very intimidating. For city work, they use cars like the Dodge Charger Pursuit that has a wraparound grille for pit maneuvers.
Or possibly the show up, that was a pit maneuver.
Yeah, that I don't know. I know it's in Ventura County. I don't know exactly what.
While the Ram 1500 Special Service Vehicle is great for off-road chases. But let's take a closer look at our two favorites. First is the Chevy Tahoe PPV. This cop car has a rear camera mirror that is especially handy in K9 units that have obstructions in the back. It's got an infrared camera that allows police to locate criminals through heat sensors in the dark. And it's got a feature called Driver Exit Auto Park. So if the car is going under 8 kilometers per hour and the officer takes off his seatbelt, releases the brake and opens his door, the car automatically stops, shifts to park and sets the parking brake. Next is the Lenco Bearcat. This beast comes in different armored variants for dangerous scenarios like citizen rescue, border patrol, and even putting out small fires in a blast.